warm welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. Mwakwaba ebe dwumadi a wato ne din wonu Opoku nsua twi no so. We are continuing our lesson on twi conjunctions. But before we start, let me read this passage, and then after that, we'll treat the conjunctions in it. Good. And this is the passage. It goes like this. But if a stranger abuses those courtesies, they will not take it kind with him. Because of that, I don't hide the fact from my foreign friends. On the contrary, I advise them not to abuse the courtesies that are extended to them. Good. That is the passage. What are the conjunctions that are found in this passage? Can you help me to identify them? Well, first we see but if. We'll treat but and then we'll join it with what? If. We also find because of that. And finally, we see on the contrary. On the contrary. Good. What are the meanings of these conjunctions as far as twi is concerned? Good. In the passage we said, but if a stranger abuses those courtesies. But if a stranger. Good. But is also another conjunction. In twi we say nanso. Nanso meaning what? But. Nanso. Nanso, it means what? But. However, if you want to say but if, then in twi we say nanso se. You remember we learned how to say if in twi, and we say, how do we say that? We say what? Se. Nanso se. That means what? But if. But if nanso se. Ohoho ebu nani gu sa monyam hye no so a. If a stranger abuses those courtesies. Nanso se ohoho bu nani gu sa monyam hye no so a. Anasa papa ye ni so a wani nu ni no mre so, they will not take it kind with him. Good. So what are we saying? We are saying that when we say nanso, it means but. However, if you want to say but if, then we say nanso se. Nanso se. Good. Nanso is always used to mean what? But remember, nso can be used to represent to and but. So not in all cases that if you hear nso, then you think it is the negative. I remember in college, there was this song that the singer said, "Ne ho ofenso obuade." Ne ho ofenso obuade. Meaning she's beautiful and respectful. However, the students took the unso to mean what? But. So they were saying, but how can you say she's beautiful but respectful? And they were arguing, forgetting that unso could also mean two. And in music does not always follow grammatical rules. And so, here the singer wanted to say she's beautiful and also hot, respectful. Good. So, we have nso to mean hot, but, and nanso also to mean but. But when we say nanso se, it means but if. Good. We have treated efiri sɛ to mean what? Because or because of. Good. Sometimes you want to say because of that. Because of that. In twi, because of that, you will say ɛno nti. Ɛno nti. Ɛno nti. You will not say efiri sɛ. No, but you say ɛno nti to mean what? Because of that. For instance, he doesn't want to see Amma. Because of that, he did not come to the wedding. Because if he comes there, he will see Amma there. In twi, we will say, ɔmpɛ sɛ obehu Amma. Ɛno nti wamma ayeforɔhyia no. Ɔmpɛ sɛ obehu Amma. Ɛno nti wamma ayeforɔhyia no. He doesn't want to see Amma. Because of that, he did not come to the wedding. Ɔmpɛ sɛ obehu Amma. Ɛno nti wamma ayeforɔ no. Anaasɛ wamma wedding no. So you see, because of that, we say ɛno nti. Ɛno nti. But if you want to say because, then we say efiri sɛ. Efiri sɛ. Efiri sɛ. He did not come to the wedding because he doesn't want to see Amma. Wamma ayeforɔ no. Efiri sɛ ɔmpɛ sɛ obehu Amma. Wamma ayeforɔ no. Efiri sɛ ɔmpɛ sɛ obehu Amma. So you see here we have used what? Because, and that is why we are applying efiri sɛ. Efiri sɛ. Let's go back to the passage. In the passage, the writer said, on the contrary, I advise my foreign friends. On the contrary, in twi we say mmom. So in the passage, the statement that, on the contrary, I advise them not to abuse those courtesies that are extended to them. In twi, you can say, mmom mitu wɔn fo sɛ, animuonyam a wɔde hyɛ wɔn ma wɔntiatia so. Anaasɛ ma wɔmmu so. Ma wɔmmu animuonyam a wɔde hyɛ wɔn no so. Mmom mitu wɔn fo sɛ, ma wɔmmu animuonyam a wɔde hyɛ wɔn no so. Anaasɛ animuonyam a wɔde hyɛ wɔn no, ma wɔn fa nni agorɔ. Ma wɔn fa nni agorɔ. Good. The emphasis is on what? Mmom, which means on the contrary. Mmom, on the contrary, I advise them. Mmom, mitu wɔn fo. On the contrary, I advise them. Mmom, mitu wɔn fo. Mmom, mitu wɔn fo. So mmom means what? On the contrary. So in all, what have we learned? We have learned that in twi when we say ne saa nti, it means that is why. And when we say efiri sɛ, then it means because. Efiri sɛ, because. Nso means to or but. Nso means what? To or but. And then we have nanso. Nanso always means what? But. However, we can also say nanso se, which means but if. Nanso se. But if. And then we know that when we say efiri sɛ means because of. But if you want to say because of that, then we'll say ɛno nti, which means what? Because of that. because of that. Enunti manko. Because of that, I did not go. Good. And then when we say mmum means what? On the contrary. On the contrary. Or however. 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 Or on the contrary. Good. Thanks for listening. And if you really enjoy this lesson and you want to be informed anytime I make new videos, kindly subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, please pass a comment and let me know how you feel about this lesson. Your comments help me a lot to plan my lessons. Once again, thank you.